If you have diabetes, the food you eat every day plays a major role in your health, your energy, and your blood sugar control. The goal is not to follow a strict or complicated diet, but to build balanced meals using healthy foods from all food groups in the right portions. A good place to start is vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, carrots, leafy greens, peppers, and tomatoes are excellent choices and can be eaten daily. They are low in calories and help keep blood sugar stable. Starchy vegetables such as potatoes, corn, and green peas can also be included, but in moderate amounts and ideally paired with protein or healthy fats. Fruits are another important part of a healthy diet for people with diabetes. Whole fruits like apples, berries, oranges, bananas, grapes, and melon provide fiber and essential vitamins. It is better to eat whole fruits rather than drinking fruit juice, since fiber helps slow down the rise in blood sugar. Grains should be chosen carefully. At least half of the grains eaten each day should be whole grains. Options like oats, brown rice, whole wheat bread, quinoa, barley, and whole grain pasta digest more slowly and help prevent sharp spikes in blood sugar compared to refined grains. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle and keeping you full longer. Lean protein sources are the best choice, such as skinless chicken or turkey, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, chickpeas, split peas, tofu, nuts, and peanuts. These foods support steady energy levels and help control appetite throughout the day. Dairy products can also be part of a diabetes-friendly diet. Low-fat or non-fat milk, yogurt, and cheese provide calcium and protein without adding too much saturated fat. Choosing unsweetened versions helps avoid unnecessary sugar intake. Healthy fats are another key element of balanced meals. Fats that are liquid at room temperature, such as olive oil and canola oil, are better choices for heart health. Foods like nuts, seeds, avocados, and fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel provide beneficial fats that support both the heart and overall health. Managing diabetes is not about eliminating foods or feeling deprived. It is about making smarter choices, watching portions, and creating meals that keep blood sugar levels stable. Small, consistent changes in daily eating habits can lead to better control, more energy, and improved long-term health. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you staying with us until the end. If this video helped you in any way, please like the video and subscribe for more simple and trustworthy health tips. You're always welcome here at Body and Brain.